Yeah, teaching your kid to drive and then give him the DD talk. Son, if you have a drink at a party, whatever. I don't want you to, bless you. I'm very polite and very easily distracted. If you have a drink at a party, whatever. I don't want you to, but just more importantly... I love it, but that better not be fake, all right? Because that's... You got another one coming? Is it tickling? Are you sure? All right, because I don't want to start this joke again. I'm trying to do this bit, but if you sneeze again, I'm going to laugh. Everyone's going to laugh. Someone have a Claritin? Can someone help her out? No. No, I get it. At least you have a very subtle sneeze that no one heard.